Hey, Big Rich here. So today I'm going to take you through the iPhone native map app to help you find your way, search for restaurants, stores, and then navigate to where you're going. Again, keep trying to get mom to use the maps on her phone when she's not sure where to go. So anyways, let me take you through the iPhone map app. Okay, so the native Apple map app, I like that, map app on your phone. Again, so Apple ships one with iPhones. I tend to use Google Maps, but I will go back and forth. Got an Apple Watch, and when you use the Apple Map app, kind of a tongue twister, it will actually, if you navigate with turn by turn, it will send the turn by turn to your Apple Watch. So, and again, if you have contact information address stored in your iPhone, it always launches the Apple app map for navigating. So, Mom, there's a map on your phone. You know where you're at all the time, right? So again, pretty straightforward, right on the map app. You can set up information. Do you want what settings do you want to see? Do you want to see transit? Do you want to see satellite? Do you want to show traffic on your map? I'm going to turn that on. You can mark your location. You can add a place. So if there's some place you go, work, store, some park, a place you like to jog, you can add places to your map. Or you can report an issue, right, also. So again, the data providers on your map, little disclaimers here, right? So I think Apple's using TomTom for their map services, and you can see the little weather channel icon down there also. So again, you can turn transit on. You can change the view to satellite view instead of map view. So I certainly like it on the map view. And again, let's just mark my location. Let's say you were somewhere and left your car. You notice I put a pin in for your location, so you can always get back to your location if you wanted to. I'm going to close that out. And then you can search, and let's just search for the Apple Store. And it shows me a couple Apple stores right around. I know which one's around my house. So let's just say I wanted to go to the one in Ann Arbor down in Briarwood. I select on that and I say, you know what, give me information about the store. So it shows you your hours, the address, the phone number if you want to call them, ratings. And you can do that for stores, restaurants, bars, whatever you want to do. You can go to the website, you can place a call directly, you can share this by texting the information or mark it as one of your favorites, or get directions. And it will give you turn-by-turn directions. You tell it, do you want to drive? Am I walking? It'd be a long walk to Ann Arbor from my house. But if you're in a city, or if you're in a city and you use buses, you can set how you want to get around to navigate through your app. So, in Michigan we tend to drive, right? Car capital of the world. But in big cities you walk and use transit, so you might pick one of those others to navigate with. And or do I want to hail a ride, right, in the area? So we'll go back to drive and hit go. We're not going to be going anywhere, but it starts you out and prompts you for starting your route and gives you turn-by-turn directions, right? If you have Apple CarPlay set up on your car, it will use that and give you the same turn-by-turn, or you can use your phone for navigating. So I'm going to end out of that and end my route to go back to the map location. Again, I can pinch and zoom out, and amazingly, those paper maps that you saw in the video, I don't think I had one of the world, right? I can get to the whole world quickly with the map apps, whether it's this one or others. So we'll keep zooming into my right location of where I am. So again, fairly flexible. It's showing the weather in the location we're at. I think if I change locations, let's just go a little further south, and let's see what it pulls in here. And there we go, thunderstorms and 30 degrees, right? So it's connecting to other places in the app and the map. I'm not sure what other features to show you. Let's cancel out of that. Again, the biggest thing is, right, you can search. Let's go and search for a restaurant, right? So one of my favorite restaurants is the Library Pub. A little shout out for the Library Pub, by the way, if you're ever in Michigan. in the Detroit area. Lower Sparks Pub and Grill, there's actually 2 of them. So let's just go to the one in Novi. So same thing, it shows you where it's at, shows you a little bit about their service. You can go to their website. In some cases it'll show you the menu, the hours of operation, phone numbers, right? And again, reviews brought in through other social media sites. You can save it as a contact if you want to. You can add to an existing contact. If you happen to frequent a place, maybe it's your barber or whatever that may be, so you can handily find that information. So, Yellow Pages is dead. Leverage the Maps app to help you get around and navigate. So there you have it, a little bit on the native iPhone app. I'm sorry, I knew I was going to do that. Map app, not app, map. All right, there you have it. Never get lost again. You got a phone. You got a map. That's the sitch with Big Rich. Please subscribe to watch the rest of my iPhone and iPad help tutorials and the rest of my Big Rich videos. Have a great day.